Hey folks, thanks for tuning in. In this episode, we install Offroad Designs pinion guard on my 1978 GMC Jimmy. Stay tuned. Hey folks, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, thanks for clicking on there. And if you're already a subscriber, thanks a lot. A couple hundred of you guys. It means a lot already. Today, we are working on the old square bodies again. It is a beautiful day out here in March, and we're gonna see if we, right behind me there, let's get the old Jimmy going. So my 1978 GMC Jimmy, haven't been on the channel much, so if you want, scroll back through my videos. I did a walk around video and I kind of went over everything here, but it sits parked quite a bit, but see if we can't get her going here and just go for a quick little burn. I can, where do I got the keys hidden here? Yeah, I knew that was dead already, so bear with me. Hold on here. There we go. All right, we'll get the old booster pack on here. Get her cranking over. Come on. Building oil pressure. Okay, hold on here. Ain't got no gas in her. Drink up the old pig. Not like I never put gas in my rigs. It ain't like I ever ran out of gas driving down the highway either. So what are we doing right now?
Stealing gas.
Because we ran out of gas, right? Yeah. Alright, come on. Bet you this doesn't even move the needle off empty. Like I said, don't really drive this old girl too much. It sits most of the year. Holy, thirsty, let's go here. Alright, 2 hours later. Check her out. Alright, let's try again. Take two. Perfect. All right, got her going. Starting to warm up a little bit. Topped up the old power steering because, you know, Chevy stuff. Let's make sure everything's locked in. Oh. See if we can't get out of here. Alright, got her going. Got out to the old snowbank there. One of the tires is a little bit low. I don't know, it's the brand new tires, but it's got a slow leak on it, so she's just gonna pump that up here right away and go for a little cruise around town. I think there might be issues with those rims there. They were used, obviously. Facebook fine, so alright, bring you back in here. Get the tires all topped up. Oh yeah, she was aired right down. Get this one topped up and carry on. Give you a little walk around here. Oh yeah, if you haven't watched the other walk around video, go back, click that, see what we got done here. Like I said, had this for a while. Needs work, obviously. I'll show you the bad parts here now, but yeah, the rockers are gone right there. And I think the passenger side might be just as bad or just as good. Well, just not quite as bad, but that's the worst of it really, is underneath the doors. And then behind each wheel, a little bit there. And then, to be expected, obviously, you can see through the floors just a little bit there, but I ripped all the old carpet out a few years ago when I first got it, just so it wouldn't rust anymore. And yeah, I had plans on redoing all that stuff, and I still might. Actually, I want to, but you know, time, money, too much of one, not enough of the other, or vice versa, whatever the saying goes. Okay. How many of you guys thought I was going to run that camera over there? Okay, didn't get that tire completely pumped up. This little battery powered thing doesn't put out a lot. So we'll just limp her back home. And yeah, I don't exactly know how much gas is in this old girl. I guess the jerry can's worth, but get back home. And if I have parts, we'll see if we can hold on here, let me shift. Do some wrenching on the old pig. And stay tuned. So the plan today is, I guess, was to get the old girl running, go for a burn, and pop on this old pinion guard that I've had sitting on the shelf for, oh, probably the last 4 years now. Bought it from Offroad Design, comes with hardware. I can't find the hardware. So let me get some hardware and we'll take two. So cannot find the hardware for that pinion guard, so just gonna steal one of these, go into town and get whatever, I don't know, was it half a dozen of the right length for that pinion guard, and we'll carry on from there. All right, back from the old parts store, got some new hardware. The old pinion guard, we're just gonna throw a quick splash of paint on her. Holds up, and let this dry up quick, and we will bolt her back on. All right, so carrying on underneath the truck here, what we need to do is disconnect this rear drive shaft. Just pop these U-joint caps off. I'll try and tie this up out of the way. Then we will carry on removing all these bolts and washers here. Slip the pinion guard on, bolt it back up, put everything back together. Tools I'm going to need is, I got a 5/16 socket to disconnect the old U-joint caps, and the old 10/16 wrench or socket for these, also known as a 5/8. Rubber hammer if I need to hit this. And yeah, reason I'm throwing this pinion guard on is to, well, for one, protect this U-joint drive shaft. These are custom shafts on this old Jimmy here. They were not cheap at all, because they're custom, and I upgraded. I went up to a bigger size U-joint. So when I put the lift in the truck, I went up to 1-ton axles. I wanted to upgrade my U-joints as well. So this rear drive shaft is a custom shaft with 1410 size U-joints here, and up here it's a double cardan shaft up there. The front drive shaft also custom, double cardan, and it's 1350 joints though, so that's the biggest they can go in the front, just for the angles and whatnot. But yeah, carry on. I almost had a little bit of a freak out moment here. These pinion guards from Offroad Design, they say that they're good for up to 1410 joints, which is what this is, what the choke size is. And it is, it's tight, like it's perfect. It fits perfect. It's good, looks awesome. So I will, I'll just get the drive shaft put back in there, and I'll show you the finished product. You want to be careful with your U-joints here. You don't want these caps to come off. You'll be picking needle bearings up off the ground, so I got to be careful with that. But all right, so we have the pinion guard installed. I'll just show you the drive shafts all hooked up, and that's the finished product. This rear end is a 14 bolt full float. And yeah, like I said, custom drive shaft, so you want to protect that yoke there. So, all right, I know this was a quick little video and basically just a very quick little burn, but thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, hit that like and subscribe button, notification bell, and we'll see you guys later. I got lots planned. I got a bunch of other square bodies I want to work on, so there's lots of content coming out here, and the weather's getting warmer. So, see you guys next time.